Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Canon printer to Bluetooth. It is important to clarify from the start that the vast majority of Canon printers do not actually support direct Bluetooth connections for printing. Bluetooth is primarily designed for short-range personal devices, not usually for the demands of a printer. Instead, these devices utilize other reliable networking options for seamless operation. Knowing this will guide you toward the proper setup process. Since direct Bluetooth is not typically an option, Canon printers provide several efficient alternatives. You can easily connect your printer to your home or office Wi-Fi network for wireless printing from multiple devices. Alternatively, Wi-Fi Direct allows your device to connect directly to the printer, bypassing a router entirely. For a simple, dependable connection, a USB cable always works directly with your computer. Setting up Wi-Fi Direct is straightforward and offers a direct, personal connection. First, navigate to your printer's control panel and choose the Wi-Fi Direct option within the settings menu. Your printer will then display a unique network name and password on its screen. Simply open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer, select that specific network, and input the provided password to establish your connection. For broader access, connect your Canon printer to your main home Wi-Fi network. This allows any device on that network to send print jobs seamlessly. Furthermore, Canon's dedicated mobile app, Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie, greatly simplifies printing from smartphones and tablets. Just ensure both your device and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and the app will guide you through the process for effortless printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.